If you're looking for a new laptop charger because you broke one, or you're looking for a second laptop charger so you can take one with you wherever you go and leave one at your desk, check this out. This is a 65-watt USB-C laptop charger. It's compatible with a whole bunch of brands and laptops, so check the list to make sure it works for you. But beyond that, it's a really straightforward product. It's a USB-C charger for your laptop. So it comes in two pieces. You have your electrical cable that goes from the plug to your charging block, then you have a built-in cable from the charging block to the USB-C plug, and then that is the plug that's going to go into your laptop. The power cord is your normal plastic, rubbery feeling power cord, but the USB-C cord is actually different. I don't really know how to describe this, but the USB-C cord is like braided carpet, braided fabric, something like that. It does not have a rubber or plastic feel. It is definitely some kind of braided fabric cover. Feels real nice, looks real cool. It's not just straight black, it's a grayscale. Overall, it's pretty cool. Take your plug it into an outlet, then you take your USB-C and plug it into your laptop. And then you have 65 watts of power going to your laptop. So if you're in the market for a replacement or even a second USB-C laptop charger, maybe this is for you.